Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. Friends, this video is going to be on cryptocurrency. I was going through all these watch lists that I have for cryptocurrency and the indices and everything. I came across this very interesting chart. Now, I would like to explain this chart to you before I give you my analysis. This chart is formed by Solana divided by Bitcoin. So right now the Solana by Bitcoin ratio happens to be 0.005. So if Solana BTC goes to 0.006, that means Solana is getting stronger than BTC. So relative to BTC, Solana is stronger. But if it goes from 0.05 to 0.04, that means Solana is getting weaker against Bitcoin. So with that in mind, we can say that if this particular chart goes up, which means that Solana has become much more valuable than Bitcoin on a relative terms. So if someone was holding on to Solana, when this Solana reaches higher, if they exchange it for Bitcoin, they'll get much more Bitcoin. Conversely, if somebody is holding Bitcoin right now, they'll find that they'll get more Solana as this chart continues to drop. Now, I have done a bit of technical analysis out here, and I have drawn this cup and handle, which I can see, and I have put a target of 0.39 for this ratio. So from 0.05, I'm saying that we have the probability of reaching 0.39. So that's going to be a huge jump, and that comes in time along with the altcoin season. So I'm thinking that Bitcoin could probably have a lot of success at this stage. But you should remember that earlier, many analysts were thinking that Bitcoin would, but that this particular ratio would take off even earlier than this. But unfortunately, we broke down and we are under inferior bull channel. So the support of the previous bull channel has now become a resistance for us, and we are trying to break through this and get up. Now, if we manage to get up, then we will be able to achieve the target of 0.39, which would mean that at that point of time, one could exchange Solana for Bitcoin and get way more Bitcoin, because after the altcoin season is over, Bitcoin is going to make a comeback. So I'll show you the chart of Bitcoin and I'll explain to you what I think happens with Bitcoin. So here is the Bitcoin chart, and it's a monthly chart. The earlier chart we saw of Solana was a weekly chart. So this is a monthly chart of Bitcoin. And if I was to look at this chart, you see consolidation, then breakout. And then there's a drop, another consolidation. This whole area I would consider as a consolidation, and then a breakout, another consolidation, and so on. So there is always a consolidation before it moves up. This cup, I think, is a consolidation. Let me just correct the target out here. This is wrong. So this way, yeah, we have a target of 256,348. I had made a video about it much earlier, that Bitcoin could potentially go to that level. So imagine if we come back to this Sol BTC during this alt season, if Solana manages to go up to 0.39 on this chart, then you're going to get a whole lot of Bitcoins for exchange of Solana. And then imagine imagine Bitcoin goes to the price of $254,000 or $240,000. So you would have made a big killing out there. So that's basically the thesis, and I would like to hear from you guys what you think about it. Now let me take this into the weekly chart to restore the same situation that you had seen earlier. So this is what you had seen earlier, and this was the diagram. Now if we go into a daily chart, and we have broken out of this pennant, and we are trying to get back in there so that we can break out on the upside and then go and meet this target out here of 0.36, which is where it will be 0.39 or something in that vicinity. So please let me know what you think about this, and I'll catch up with you in the next video. Bye for now.